Hello friends, today I am going to start shorthand coding tricks and tips of JavaScript technique. So firstly I am going to start trick number 1, like repeat a string multiple times in JavaScript. So I am going to write a small code to repeat a string multiple times in JavaScript. Now see. Let str is equals to null. We have declared str variable as a null string. Now write for loop for repeating a string. I is equals to 0. Initialize I variable as 0. I is less than 5 because I want to print a string 5 times. I plus plus. It's what? Increment that value. Now str plus equal to str plus equal to hello. Backslash n to print string in a new line. Okay. Now print this string console.log str. Now see the output. Yeah, we have successfully achieved a string written in a 5 times, but it's a very lengthy procedure. It's a longhand method. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a very shorthand method. Definitely it will help you to enhance your coding skill and your precious time also. Const str is equals to write a string which you want to repeat. Hello backslash n dot. Use just repeat method and write number here. Suppose I want to repeat 5 times, so I have written 5 only. Now print this string console.log str. Okay, comment this, clear this screen. Now run this one line code only. Yeah, we have achieved same output and same thing in a one line code only. So I think it will help you to achieve coding skills in a shorthand method and enhance your coding time whenever you will write string related programs. Okay, thank you. And if you like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Okay, thank you.